It's that time again. What's for supper Wednesday? Now sit back and watch. Hope everyone enjoys and thank you for watching.
Welcome back, or welcome if you're new. Today, for What's for Supper Wednesday, we're going to have garlic butter roasted pork tenderloin. What you'll need is 1.5 pounds of pork tenderloin. I've got 2 pork tenderloins here, so I'm going to double this recipe. It says salt and pepper to taste. My seasoning has salt and pepper in it, so I'm not going to add extra. You're going to need to make a garlic butter, so you'll need 1/2 cup of softened butter. I'm going to double the butter and the seasonings. You'll need 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 2 teaspoons of dried herbs or whatever you kind of seasoning you want in it. I'm going to use this. It has salt, pepper, and garlic in it. And we'll get started here. Okay, let's make our garlic butter. We'll put butter down in, softened. The minced garlic. I'll have the recipe down below. It gives options for the seasonings. There's my seasoning. And I'm going to add just a little bit of parsley to mine too. This is parsley we dehydrated out of the garden. And then I'm going to need garlic powder. Then I'll just stir it up. I'll be back when I get this all stirred up. Okay. Got that done. Let's set that aside. I'm going to get out the tenderloins. Now you want to take a paper towel and pat it dry. Y'all can see that. All right. Get my fork. It says to use a fork and make some holes all around it. Okay. Now here you would salt and pepper it. Like I said, my seasoning has salt and pepper in it. So now we're just going to put on the garlic butter and get that all rubbed in. Okay, I had to take some of mine off. It says to only rub half of your butter on and leave the remaining half for after it comes out of the oven. Okay, now I'm going to put this in a 400-degree oven for 25 to 35 minutes, and then we'll be back. Okay, it's out of the oven. You're supposed to let it rest for 5 minutes, then put the rest of your garlic butter on. My garlic butter, I had to scrape off half of it. I put the whole thing on, so I had to, once it was cooked halfway, put the rest of the garlic butter on because it had touched the meat. But what I'm going to do is let this set for 5 minutes. Then I'm going to put some of this butter over top of it and let it set for another 5 minutes. The recipe will be down in the description below, so you'll be able to do it right. Okay, it's set for 5 minutes. I'm going to take a baster and put some of that on top. Here's where you would put the rest of your butter. I think it'll be just fine though. Okay, now I'm going to let it set for another 5 minutes and then we'll plate it up. Okay, here it is all plated up. Doug, Dan, give it a try.
Okay. Yummy.
Very good.
Keeper.
I'll have the recipe down in the description. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Holmans Homestead where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Holmans Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home. From sunrise to sunset in fields so wide, with family and friends, we've nothing to hide. We're building our dreams one day at a time, with each gentle tune and each heartfelt rhyme. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Holmans Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home. From sunrise to sunset in fields so wide, with family and friends, we've nothing to hide. We're building our dreams one day at a time, with each gentle tune and each heartfelt rhyme. So here's to the moments we all hold dear. With every new subscriber, we spread that cheer. In the heart of the homestead, love's always true. Thank you for being a part of our crew. So thank you for watching, we all hold dear. With every new subscriber, we spread that cheer. In the heart of the homestead, love's always true. Thank you for being a part of our crew. So thank you for watching as we close this song, at Holmans Homestead, where we all belong. With your hearts beside us, we'll keep rolling on. Thank you for watching, we'll see you at dawn. So thank you for watching as we close this song at Holmans Homestead, where we all belong. With your hearts beside us, we'll keep rolling on. Thank you for watching, we'll see you at dawn.